तस्या तस्य वितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धिया या न प्रचोदयात्. Namaskar. Today, let us do one important pranayam, Kapalbhati pranayam, the breathing fire. Breathe in, breathe out forcibly. Once in a second. 1, 2, 1, 2. When to do Kapalbhati? In the morning, in open air, in empty stomach. Usually, get up early in the morning, drink warm water, do some warm-up exercise, then asana, and then pranayams. And the important pranayam is Kapalbhati. It looks easy, but not easy for the beginners. So, breathing out to check the breathe out. How to check? With a piece of paper, place it on your hand. So, this is complete breathe out. Once in a second, 60 strokes in 1 minute. And if anyone has problem or blood pressure, 45 strokes in 1 minute. For the beginners, so breathing out forcibly will be difficult. So practice like this. Feel that the belly is going inside. How long? Kapalbhati is to be done for at least 15 minutes a day. But up to our capacity limit. Whenever we are tired, then stop and take rest. So first, beginners should start it 10 strokes and then rest 10 strokes. With this Kapalbhati, when we can do Kapalbhati correctly, with this we can do other things. This is called mudra. Mudras are useful and it differs from the problems. But our primary thing, Kapalbhati, should be correct. If it is correct, then we can do also acupressure. The acupressure ball. Benefits of Kapalbhati. Many problems arises from our belly. So jerking of belly is important. It gives us energy. Pancreas is being jerked, so it is good for diabetic patients. Weight and fat will reduce, but it will take time. Acupressure, we can press the points. There are so many points. This is the mustard point and other points. So press. Start with mustard point and then change the points. If we, while pressing hard, these acupressure points, if we get pain, then that means there is some problem of that part of the body. So press it for at least 20 times. Go on changing the points. Other hand, breathe out. Between the gap, oxygen is automatically going in. So not to think about breathe in, it is automatic. But if anyone is tired, then stop. Then breathe in. Again start Kapalbhati, forcibly breathing out. Acupressure can be also by clapping. But we must press kidney point after FT acupressure. The middle finger touches here, this kidney point. After any acupressure, kidney point we should press. After Kapalbhati, you should do 3 bandh. 3 bandh. 1 rectum, 2nd navel, 3rd here. We inhale and touch this here. Hold your breath for 10 seconds to 30 seconds. Then do like this. Exhale first. Exhale, pull those 3 points, lock it, hold your breath for 10 to 30 seconds and then inhale and raise your head. Since our head was downward, next to this is Murcha Pranayam. Inhale. Ugnisha, dancing of belly. Exhale. Rotate your belly. Exhale. Opposite. Exhale. By practicing Kapalbhati regularly, our resistance power will increase and we will be free of disease. Thank you. Remain happy and healthy.